thirikari nene MINISTA wa MATHAKO bũrũri-inĩ Ababu Namwamba nĩgũrekereirie ndeto ĩno akiuga atĩ mbeũ njĩthĩ kuma kaunti-inĩ itiganĩte nĩmegũkorwo makĩgunĩka. Muoroto wao arĩ gũtigĩrĩra atĩ namba nene ya mbeũ njĩthĩ arĩa matarĩ na mawĩra nĩmakorwo makĩona mawĩra. Nĩ mĩario ĩkoretwo ĩkĩnyitwo mbaru nĩ gavana wa kaunti namba 21 Irũngũ wa Kang'ata.
Leo hii tunazindua muradi muhimu zaidi, muradi wa kupatia vijana wetu fursa. Fursa ya kwanza ni kuweka pesa mfukoni. That is a critical element of the project we are flagging off or unveiling today. Giving our young people a livelihood. Na serikali yetu ya Kenya Kwanza, wimbo ulikuwa pesa mfukoni, putting money in the pockets of our people.
But as I explained, we cannot employ more because of legal restrictions. Public Finance Management Act, it caps the maximum number of people you can employ, and therefore we had no option but to come up with such kind of a program to address the rampant problem of youth unemployment. Your Excellency, we believe that this program is revolutionary. It will ensure young people their skills are utilized.
MCA wako Atiga Katuri Mugenete zaomba utusaidia hapa bila tunaweza kuza talent ya huko Murang'a, kwa sababu apart from hii kazi yetu ya governor kuna talent ingine.
Mugathe President William Samoei Ruto